وَدِينِ الْحَقِّ. This Deen al-Haq, the whole system of life based on social justice. Because a process of social evolution was also going on. There was a time when our ancestors were living in caves. No social system, no even municipal committee, nothing of the sort. Every man was the monarch of all he surveyed. He was the sovereign of his cave. Then the tribal system started. One tribe, one chief. You have to obey the chief. Then city-states came into existence. 3, 4, 5 tribes living in one city, just as Medina. 5 tribes were living there. Aus, Khazraj, Banu Qurayza, Banu Qainqa, and so on. Banu Nuzair. Then was the time of empires. The Iranian Empire, the Roman Empire. Now the system of life, it has taken a form, a collective form, social order. And then the Deenul Haq was given to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Now the biggest need and necessity of human beings is a just social order, which should be balanced from every respect. Justice at the political level, no repression, no rule of man by man, no. Kunu ibadallah ikhwana. No Malik, no king. Halaka Kisra wala Kisra ba'da. Halaka Kaisar wala Kaisar ba'da. No exploitation. Equitable distribution of wealth. No social discrimination. Kullukum banu Adam wa Adam min turab. On the basis of color of skin, on the basis of blood and race. Nobody is high, nobody is low. A system based on social justice in every respect, political, socio-economic system, completed in the form of Islam and given to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.